Alrighty guys and girls, we are at and non-binary people, we are at Dairy Queen yet again. We are going to try the new peanut butter pie blizzard. This item's been requested and we're pretty excited, people. Oh, nobody's in line. Here we go. Peanut butter pie. Give me the peanut butter pie blizzard. Small.
Little?
That'll be all.
Sure.
No price on it. Let's see how much it costs, people. It seems like the blizzard prices change daily. Hello. How much? There you go. Alrighty. $4.12 for a small blizzard. Yowie wowie. Hello.
You have a good one.
Thank you. Alrighty guys and girls and non-binary people, we've got it. We're gonna park right over here. And we're gonna tire into it and see if it's worth it. Peanut butter pie blizzard. This looks like it's a small is plenty big, people. Look at that. So let's get right to it, people. It looks like it's time to hit the music. Well, hello there, guys, girls, and of course, non-binary people. It's Reed here yet again. Now, guys, as always, in the back, we have our sidekick. We have the box back there. And let's not forget, we also have everybody's favorite ass. It's ASS JW. We got Alexa. Do you like peanut butter pie?
Yes, I do. My favorite is Mike's Pies.
Mike's
This is peanut
Pies.
butter pie.
Well, anyway, guys, it looks like it's that time. It's time for another exciting, insane, super official, thought-provoking, straight-edge food product review. If your tips only 365 daily food product, you're the one and only Reed. It's true, it's true, it's true. Party time, excellent. Blah, 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 blah. It's melting, people. We're going to have to hurry and get through this. So, as always, remember, guys, if you have anything you would like, read the box and Alexa review. You got to leave a comment below. If we like it, we're going to pick out your comment and review your request next. Thumbnail, gonna eat some of this peanut butter pie while Malcolm eats all of the ex-wife's pie. Alrighty guys, we're gonna get right to it now as the peanut butter blizzard continues to melt. My throat's dry, but let's just get right to it. This is a peanut butter pie blizzard, $4.12. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Boy, that is just wonderful. What some flavor. The peanut butter pie is absolutely spectacular. Man. Alexa, how do you make a peanut butter pie?
Okay, for peanut butter pie, here's a few recipes.
Oh, you're not going to tell it. Of course not. Of course not. Well, anyway, guys, it's wonderful. I've never had a peanut butter pie in my whole career. I guess my whole life I've never had a peanut butter pie. So, I'm pretty impressed with this. Wow. That is unbelievable. Yep. The graham cracker crumbs. That's what I was tasting. Let's see. We've got unsalted butter, brown sugar, peanut butter, of course, vanilla. The graham cracker crumbs. I think that's what I was tasting here. I wasn't sure what that was. I thought it was. I thought I was eating a Butterfinger there for a minute. Overall, people, this is wonderful. Now, I've never had a peanut butter pie, so I have no idea what they taste like. I know that may be hard for you to believe, but I know people that say they're unbelievable, but I've never actually had a peanut butter pie. So, if it's anything like this, I'm missing out. Wonderful flavor, people. Man, that is unreal. Did not expect it to be this good. No way. Wow. Overall, people, it's a must buy. Even if you're not a peanut butter pie lover, if you've never had one, this is a way to get introduced to that. Now, this is wonderful. The peanut butter is wonderful. I wonder what kind of peanut butter they use. But, wow. But again, it's so overpriced, people. A small was pretty much $4.12. I mean, that's so overpriced for that. But it's so worth it. I will say it's worth it. I mean, you're not going to get an experience like this nowhere else. Unless you make it yourself, I guess. Overall, guys, I'm going to give the peanut butter apple pie, or the apple pie, but peanut butter pie blizzard, I'm going to give it 5 stars. I mean, my goodness. I've not tasted a pie this fresh since the ex-wife. I mean, my goodness. You know what's bad about it, people, is while I'm eating this peanut butter pie here, Malcolm's eating out the ex-wife's pie. He's enjoying her pie while I enjoy this pie, if that makes sense. It's a cruel world, people. It's a cruel world. That's going to be the official review, people. It's 99 degrees. And the ice cream is melted all over me. It's like being in an adult movie. I mean, look at that. It's unbelievable. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. It almost looks like somebody threw up on me. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. But anyway, guys, that's the official review. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the show. Give the video a thumbs up. It's 100 degrees, 99 degrees today. We still got through it. We had a great time. We do a review 365 days a year, so I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm spitting everywhere. Everything's melting. I'm an absolute wreck. I'm almost as wrecked as the ex-wife's Hershey hole is going to be tonight. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Me, the Box, and Alexa. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Toodles! This is their best freeze they've ever had. This is it. This is the best they've ever had. Reminds me a lot of that Transformer freeze, the Optimus Prime freeze we reviewed back a while from Sonic. Those were still the best freezes, or the best slushies, whatever you want to call them, that I ever had. Those Transformer freezes or slushies, whatever they were called from Sonic, it's been 3 years ago, maybe longer. Those are absolutely awesome. This is right there with that level. It's close. That is unbelievable, people. Let's see if I can search this and see what exactly is in this. But that right there, people, that is unreal how good it is. I mean, you really can't